In this tutorial, I want to share how to use Aurora HDR 2019 and Luminar together. We will start by processing an HDR image in Aurora, and then use Luminar's intelligent filters, smart presets, and some of its specialty tools to edit the image. Let's get started. Select a group of bracketed images, click the gear icon, and from here check Ghost Reduction and Chromatic Aberration. Now check Auto Alignment and click the Create HDR button to process the image. Aurora did a great job at tone mapping this image. Now let's apply an Aurora HDR look before we head over to Luminar. Let's click on the Aurora HDR Looks panel button. Click on Collections. From the Essentials category, let's click on Modesto. This looks good. Now let's enhance the image a little bit more. Let's start by increasing the HDR Enhanced Filter's HDR clarity. And let's add a little color to the sky by increasing the Adjustable Gradient Fill's vibrancy. At this point, the image is looking good. To make it even better, we're going to use Luminar to remove the fence post, the yellow sign, and just add an additional look. Click Plugins on the top toolbar and select Luminar from the drop-down list. Aurora opens Luminar and imports the edited image. To remove the fence post and distractions, select Erase from the Tools drop-down menu and paint over the areas you want to erase. Now Luminar is going to examine the surrounding pixels and it's going to generate a new texture based on its awareness of what's nearby in the photo. Click the Erase button to remove the selected areas. When you're happy with the results, click Done. Let's add a little more dramatic effect to this. So click on the Categories Preset Panel button, and from Categories, select the Dramatic Collection and choose Dramatic Grungy. We'll bump up the saturation just a touch. Now, at this point, you can return to Aurora by clicking the Apply button found on the top toolbar, or you can continue editing, taking advantage of Luminar's intelligent filters and smart presets. Now our image is back in Aurora and is placed on a new layer, and it's labeled Luminar 2018's layer. Now we can either save and export the images, or we can continue to make additional changes to the image. So let's review what we just did. We used Aurora when we needed to create an HDR image from several bracketed images, and we used Luminar's Erase tool to remove unwanted distractions. Think of Luminar as a modern-day digital darkroom, which is a perfect companion for Aurora.